In front of me is REALME C75 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos app and tapping on Photos or Albums at the bottom. Let's start with Photos. Hold one you wanna get rid of, and to pick multiple, click on all of those icons at the top right corners of all of your sections. I have only today, but you probably have today, yesterday, so on and so on. Now, if you want to keep some of those photos, slide your finger across the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use the delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to delete your photos from one of your albums, click on it, hold the photo and this time tap on Select All, also at the top right corner. To keep some, slide your finger and delete the rest the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!